Here are the 3 ways to pay yourself from your LLC. Owners of the LLC are considered members. There are single member LLCs and multi-member LLCs. As a member of the LLC, have you ever wondered, how do I get paid?
You guys are getting paid?
The way you figure this out is by knowing what your personal living expenses are, such as your mortgage, rent, car payments, insurance, and groceries. Once you have that figure, here are the 3 ways to pay yourself. Number 1, you may set up an automatic transfer weekly from your LLC business account into your personal account. Number 2, you may write a check from your LLC business account to yourself and deposit it into your personal account. Number 3, our favorite option for LLCs treated as S-Corps, is the member takes a payroll direct deposit, which is deductible by the business, and the member can also set up a weekly or monthly profit share distribution transfer from the LLC business account to your personal account. The reason why the payroll and profit share option are our favorite is that the LLC gets to deduct the member payroll, which reduces the tax liability for the member, and you are also able to tap into the profits of the business, as well as tapping into the best of both worlds, profit share and less taxes.